Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to use Afterpay on Ticketmaster. So let's get started. First of all, open the Afterpay app and use the search bar to find Ticketmaster. And then you have to search Ticketmaster and it will redirect you to the official site. Like just search Ticketmaster. Now you have to pick your event, select your seats and proceed to checkout. At checkout, Afterpay will already be selected as your payment method. Just log into your Afterpay account or sign up if you are new. Your total will be split into 4 entries like here. You just have to sign up or register. Then you have to choose Afterpay. Free payments with the first one due today and the rest every 2 weeks. Hit place order and boom, your tickets are secured. Now you can enjoy the event while playing over time. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. You just have to sign in here and then you have to choose Afterpay. That's it.